Hi, today I'm gonna be replacing my rear light bulb on the right with 7443 long life 7-year light bulb, and I have a 2015 Toyota Corolla. It is my right rear light, and you can see I turn my light on, switch on, but it's not illuminate here, so I have to replace it. Let's get started. Versus my left here, you can see that I have light there, but not on the right. So it looks like I'm gonna have to open up this area here to have access to the light bulb in my trunk. There are, what I see, there's a couple clips here, so I'm gonna be using this tool to pop this out. Should be fairly easy. Let's try one. There you go. Then pop the other one out. A little bit of. There you go. Then you have access to the whole thing here. So now I have access to the light bulb socket here. It's gonna be this one over here. So I go ahead and turn it. There you go. Counterclockwise, and here's a light bulb here. So I'm gonna be using glove. I don't want to leave any finger oil on here, and then just pop the new one in here. Okay. So go ahead and pull the old one out there. Old one. Gonna put the new one in. Just gonna get a new one here. Either side should be okay. Just push it in. There you go. And just put it back right there. There, you can see it, and put it right there, and then lock it, turn it, sorry, and then turn it, just make sure it's straight, and then just turn it a little bit, less than a quarter turn actually, and just make sure it's tight. Yep, it's tight, not coming out. Yep. Just a little turn to the right, and you got it. I'm checking it right now, and there's light there, so it's working great. And then I just have to put this clip back on these two things here. Okay, just slide it up here, the lining here, make sure it's tucked in pretty good, and then just by hand, just gonna push it back. Okay, I push this one first. Fairly simple. Also, I just check and make sure my brake lights also work. Get the other one here, and then just push it back there, and look like they go in pretty easy. And then you're done. I think I'm missing one over here. I'm not sure, but that's okay. Not gonna hurt anything. Well, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe so other people can easily see my new videos here, and please subscribe. I have so many different kind of videos there that you can explore for the last 6-7 years. So thanks for watching, and have a great weekend, everyone. Bye for now.